One, two, mic check. Is anybody listening? Are you listening? Yeah. 4, 5, 6 on my feet. Now I'm dancing. Yeah, I'm dancing. Yeah. Shit happens all the time, but life's still paradise. Sometimes I get high, but I'm getting sick.
Hi guys!
Ano?
Ayun guys, so ngayon ulit kami nakapag-vlog after ng wedding.
Kala ko nakapag-mall eh.
Nakapag-vlog. We're just gonna eat lunch. Then, bibili kasi kami ng pangluto later. Punta kami ng Landmark, doon kami mag-grocery. And after, actually baka mag-movie pala muna kami. Kasi wala din kami magawa since it's a Saturday today.
Perfect.
Let's see what movie meron ngayon. So we're here at Trinoma. Parang pinag-isipan namin ngayon if yung nakita namin movie na maganda lang is yung kay
Bar Boys, maganda.
Bar Boys. Gusto ko yung kay Sydney Sweeney, yun yung maganda housemaid, maganda daw yun. So baka yun yung panoorin namin. Punta muna tayo sa favorite, the one and only salad stop.
Yung ranch ko,
Yun yung mga healthy.
Just in case susubok sila. Isang game. Parang yung ay.
Ayan, yan. Dalawa yan, no?
Para pag may bisita tayo.
Customer 96 po, sir. Tawagin na lang po sa side lecture. 93.
Sunday morning, so we're gonna run.
Ayan, dito na kami sa UP. So, run muna kami. And then, after, dito na siguro kami magsisimba sa chapel malapit. And then, your favorite part is, magluluto ako ng...
Binagoongan.
Ayan, so, see you guys. Run muna kami. Just getting ready to go to the gym. Takbo ka din. Okay, we're here at Good Food. Ayan, kakatapos na namin mag 5K run. So, we're here at Good Food, guys. Kain lang kami after our 5K jog. Madaming selection naman kasi dito ng food. Tigisa tayo. Yum! Ano to? Chicken, inasal chicken bacolod. Sarap.
Hindi pa kita piso.
Beshi! Hello!
Hi, vlogger.
Vlogger! Ayun, may golf pala. Hala, gusto ko turuan mo ako, Ben. Kung paano mag... Hi, Dims!
1, 2, mic check. Is anybody listening? Are you listening?
Happy birthday, Nico!
4, 5, 6 on my feet. Now I'm dancing. Yeah, I'm dancing. Yeah. Shit happens all the time. But life's still paradise. Sometimes I get high, but I'm getting sick.
Sige. Okay naka-flash, ayun. Okay lang. Tara.
Okay lang ba siya?
1. Happy birthday, Nico Yu! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Baka na 44 ang tanda! Thank you, bisita tayo.
Happy birthday! Yay! Make a wish!
Day, hindi ko lang
Ayaw kasi ni Vic, ano, tap? Kasi nangingitim daw siya.
Ito yung gusto ko dito eh, no?
Wow!
Nakatikip sa puto, no? Hindi masarap. Hindi ka maslip. Kade. Nakabukas yung likod mo.
Ano masasabi mo sa asawa mo? Happy birthday! I love you! Happy birthday! Okay yan. Kasi lang dalawa nagbabasa na.
Lasing na agad ako.
Baka kami nasusunod.
Pero sabay-sabay tayo magda-dialysis pag dito. Dalawa yan, pre. Meron pa sa kabilang kanto. Balik natin yung mga industry days. Oy, paso.
Everyone, it's January 24th.
Ay, baba.
It's January 24th. We're on the way to Glorieta right now. Kakain kami sa Jade Garden today kasi umuwi yung tita ko galing US. So, yun. So, magmi-meet lang kami. Actually, matagal na kami hindi nagkita. I think para I was still 14 years old back then. So, it's been a really long time and na-miss din talaga namin sila. So, kain tayo ng masarap later. Actually, first time ko rin sa Jade Garden. So, I'm very excited to try their food. Sabi kasi ni Babe, masarap daw dun. And so, susunduin lang namin yung lolo ko. So, yung lolo ko kasi kapatid yun nung tita ko. Bunso nilang kapatid yun. So, and nagsasama ko din yung brother and sister ko.
So we're buying some clothes for
Maganda kaya?
Tita and Tito.
Bilhin tayo ng gift for Tita Belle.
Siya lang ba?
For Tita Belle, for Tita Kim, and
Tita
for
Nene.
Tita Nene. I just don't know their size. May nakita ka na. Anong separate? Yung isang pa. Yes.
Size ano to? Size 4 nito.
Size 4 ba siya?
Maliit.
I'll make her my darling.
Sweet as can be.
She said my tattoo means I have two sides. Said my darkness means I have a light. Maybe it's true, I just didn't see it before. You're the sun to my moon, so I guess my light is yours. In the streams on your arms I reside. I'm under your skin now.
Okay, so you can just get this. There's 5 of you, Ivy. Yeah. Okay. Sophie and Dak. I don't know your sizes.
Oh yeah, and also Tita, for your, because we got this clothes, so there's a receipt inside. So just in case that the size is not correct, you can dessert. And then Tita Ba baked us some cookies. Hi, Baba.
Lapag.
Are those necklaces? Which one do you want? I want the silver one. Thank you.
Paano po siya?
So, Nikki, what do you do?
I work for a doctor in Irvine, California. A functional medicine doctor.
What hours do you work?
So basically in Irvine time, 8 to 5. Yeah. So it's like 1 a.m. here. Yeah, I know. 1 a.m. to like 9 a.m. here. So yeah, we both work graveyard shifts. So yeah, so it works for both of us. So he works. I think your head office is in Costa Mesa.
Costa Mesa, California.
What do you do?
I do a lot of e-commerce. So my boss owns a lot of e-commerce business in the US. And then all of the agents, I'm the one who's handling and managing.
He oversees like the team.
So you also work nights?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're
night,
both
yeah.
graveyard. But I'm like on Zoom all day, but I'm not like on camera. My camera is off. So like when the doctor has a checkup, has an appointment with a patient, so I'm there like scribing for her basically. She's a functional medicine provider. We only see like maybe 4 to 5 patients a day. But like the charting's very detailed, I must say. Yeah. It's very different from like the conventional medicine.
So he,
I think that's the benefit also of working, like you're earning dollar and then
And then you're here, yeah.
in the Philippines.
So I'm a graduate of physical therapy, but I never really practiced.
You're going to work like a physical therapist job
I mean, here in
the Philippines? Oh
No.
my God.
Yeah, you have to work in the US for you to earn really good. Yeah. Guys, naya lang namin sila marami mag-jogging. So, andito na. Andito na sila. Good morning!
ba yan?
Ito may kasalanan. Good morning!
Hi, Kochi!
Ay, oo nga, sige. Si AC ang may kasalanan, di ako.
Akala ko emergency. Ano na?
Sabi ni AC.
Nakatakot kayo?
Uwaga. Ayan na. Woo! Happy Sunday! Hi, Rashi! Woo!
What's the best? Pasok ka sa anak ko.
Hello, guys!
Wala na.
Wala na, give up na siya. Hi! Hi, Beshi!
Oh my God.
Hi!
Success.
Success!
Baby t-shirt.
Koichi, how are you? First time niya po kasi tumakbo. Ini-influence namin sila sa sa health and fitness era namin.
Running.
After this, kain!
Nandito pala yung camera. Akala ko dito titingin. Tumitingin. Dito pala.
Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Napapasapin ka na.
Lagi yan ni Ate.
Ang dali ko. Parang baby.
Binigay ko siya kanina. Baka sa likod.
Hello. Ay, sorry. Thank you. Okay namin, gusto din namin mag pwede rin car wash business. Kailangan lang makahanap ka ng magandang location. After jog.
Cheat day.
Kaya 4 na tibo. 4 na tibo.
Dalawang season.
Dalawang 6-star.
Massage daw tayo. G ba kayo? G tayo. Ngayon. After lunch, ganyan. May happy ending.
Siyempre meron. Lagi naman tayo.
Kasi After lunch, ganyan. Anong oras nga? O, basta chat tayo, babe. Okay, bye-bye.
Diba?
Ano yun?
Beshi.
Wouldn't it be, babe? Ang ganda na idea mo.
Mag-date tayong beshi.
Hi guys, so ayun, kanina naglolokohan lang kami sa GC ng mga siraulo kong friends. And ayun, sinabi ko, on the way, biglang, okay, G na lahat. Tara, Molito. Ayan, nandito na naman kami lahat. Hello. Ayan, so, dali namin kayo sa Molito. Iinom lang kami ng mga shoktong, saka kulapu at MP lights. Yan, mga iinom namin. Diba? Sa Skyway kami. Si Koichi Hataw, ayan. Ayan. So yung mga hindi nakakaalam ng kulapu, yun yung favorite drink namin. Kulapu, signature drink yun. Pag walang kulapu, it's either lambanog or gin bulag, or kung wala talaga, MP lights. Perfect!
Chillin'! Hi guys! Hi! We're here at,
Let's go.
ano nga to, Alabang West Town Parade.
Alabang.
Alabangers na kasi kami ngayon. So, inaya nila kami dun sa Broad Date. Kaso parang hindi ko alam kung mag-enjoy kami ni Manami dun. Kasi parang ano siya.
Parang beer.
Puro beer at puro sausage.
Hey!
Hey. Pag wala dong cocktails, beshi, dito tayo sa Mama Luz. Lilipat tayo, tapos gawin. O kaya magawain tayo dun sa ano. Hey guys!
Hey!
Maghay naman kayo sa vlog. Ulit. Hi guys! Happy birthday, Nicolai Cruz!
January pa rin eh. Kaya kasama ka pa. Alright, so nandito kami ngayon sa Brushit. So ngayon mag-food tasting kami kasi itong kapatid ko ito, siya yung talagang mga sa mga beer, you know, yung mga expert sa mga beer. So lahat ng beer dito ito try. Ayan. Hindi, taste test lang siya, taste test. Hindi siya malalasing dyan kasi lasinggero siya. So kailangan niya yung mga...
Sir, next po.
Oo, ayan. Masarap.
Bitin lang.
Oh. Labas niya na nga yung beer.
Ito yung aking bit, diba?
I wanna take you around. So let's go. 'Cause I really wanna take you around. What would you do for me? Yeah. Would you move for me? Yeah. Bring your love for me. Yeah. Stand tall for me.
Puntahan ko nagsipag. Actually, ngayon na lang kami ulit mag-meet after what? How many years? After college. Last nakita namin nag-graduate pa kami. So that was like 5 years ago. So I'm very excited to see her. So I actually have a wax appointment right now. And then, so magpapawax muna tayo siguro. Or baka mag-lunch muna kami. And then after magpapawax ako. Magpapa-laser sana pala ako. Kaso hindi pwede kasi yung outing namin parang 2 days away na lang. And Tuesday na ngayon. So, hindi pwede. Kasi dapat 1 week before. Tama.
of an ocean and don't plan to